to start today's Gardening with Jessie with reading you guys a few quotes about flowers that I thought were really cute and inspirational. And little Oliver has decided to join us today. So love is the flower you've got to let grow. That's so cute, so true. A flower cannot blossom without sunshine, and a man cannot live without love. Oh my gosh. So make sure you tell someone you love that you love them. And, remember to give love to everyone. Oh, I really like this one. Flowers are the music of the ground, from earth's lips spoken without sound. What do we think that means? Flowers are the music of the ground, from earth's lips spoken without sound. Wow. That is so moving. I think that just speaks to how powerful having a beautiful flower nearby at all times. The aroma can make you feel a certain way, and then just seeing it visually, the beautiful leaves and colors can make you feel a certain way. It's just appealing to so many of our senses, and even taking care of them and planting them and nourishing them is therapeutic to our soul and teaches us about responsibility and care and thoughtfulness. Anyway, I hope that you feel nourished and inspired. And now we're going to hop into planting. Hi, welcome to my little garden. Today we're going to plant some lavender. Get a glove on and grab my lavender. So we're not having a picnic today, but I have been germinating this lavender in this plastic container. I just put a damp paper towel in there and then sprinkled it with some seeds. And as you see, they have been growing for quite a while. I probably should have planted these sooner. But we're gonna go ahead and put it inside of this hanging planter that I have and see if we can get some beautiful lavender. The dark spots are mold, but that won't hurt the plant, it'll be fine. All right, as you can see, I already have this planter here, but we're gonna add some more soil. Top this off. Oliver, come here. Come on! He's about to get into something. Alright, let's get all the soil in here, fill it up. You don't want it to go over the top because you want to be able to water it and the water stay inside the pot and not spill over. Come here! Come on! Come here! Come here! Come on! No! Here! Bit more. We might have a perfect amount. Hi, Oliver. Hi, good boy. Say hello. Why don't you sit? You sit down. He's not gonna sit. Okay, there it is. Beautiful. Very good. Oh wow, there's a little weed in there. Okay. So the soil is looking good. So let's go ahead and plant this. It's starting to sprinkle here a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but hopefully the rain doesn't get us. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick my finger in and drop one of these beautiful lavender in. It's probably a little bit too deep. There we go. Perfect. They're so tiny right now, they just germinated, but these can get from 20 to 24 inches tall, so they'll be quite big when they're mature. Alright, we have 2 in there. Oliver, come here. Good boy. And these get quite big, but I'm just sticking them in here. We'll see what happens. I'm putting them about 6 inches apart. Okay, that looks good. I'll put one more right here. Oh, this one has 2 leaves. Impressive, 2 leaves. They all have 2 leaves actually. Because they're little baby seeding leaves. Okay, so I just took 4 of these. You can see there's many left. I think I put like 20 or 24 in here. So we'll have to put that in a different container later. But I have 4 in this pot, and I think I'm gonna go get a chamomile to go in the middle. So you know lavender will be purple, which is gorgeous. Will be around the perimeter, and then maybe I'll put a chamomile plant in the middle, so that then there's white coming up out of the middle. And the chamomile will also get a bit taller, so it'll be like a tall chamomile plant surrounded by all this beautiful lavender. So all right, I'll be right back. A little harder. But I got these beautiful chamomile, look at them. Okay, so we're going to take one out and stick it here in the middle. Okay. Now, there's actually 3 here. So I'm going to separate them a little bit. We're going to go ahead and still plant all 3 even though they get quite big, because you never know, they might not all survive. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of put them, make a triangle with 2 lavender and then a chamomile in the middle, but towards the center. Like that. Beautiful. I have another glove, but I don't know where it disappeared to. So we're just going to have a glove and a hand. That works. Okay, and then we'll stick this one here. There's a lavender, and then there's going to be a chamomile here. And where does this one go? I guess I'll put it right here. Just make it a little deeper because that has a longer root. See? So I want to make sure that the hole is deep enough to just set the root in there as to not disturb it too much. Perfect. Okay. Alright, I'm so excited about these. This is going to be so cute. So beautiful. I'm going to move this one over a little bit. Yeah. Like there. There we go. A little bit more of a triangle situation, and then we have lavender, 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 chamomile, chamomile, chamomile. Okay, I'll give you guys a closer look. There's not much to see right now, but there they are. lavender and chamomile plants actually produce for lavender and chamomile tea. So once these get bigger, I can harvest them every day or every other day or weekly. We'll see how quickly they restore themselves, but I can harvest it regularly, dry the leaves, and have my own fresh tea. So I'm certainly very, very excited about that. You all should definitely try to. All right, thank you so much. Love you, appreciate you. Bye.